Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what I have for you is cleaning prawns. Devein prawns 3 ways. I'm sure you would like to know how I shell and devein these prawns. Yeah, let's get right into the video. Yeah, first thing first, these are the prawns and these are the stuff I'm going to use to clean them. I got knife, needle. Please make sure you use new needle, don't use old needle, and scissors. You can as well use prawn peeler if you have one. Alright, for the first way, I'm simply going to remove or twist off the head of the prawns just like so, and with my thumb I'm going to peel down one side of the body and carefully twist the prawn around and squeeze the tail off just like so. After that, grab a knife and devein the prawns. What that means is that I will simply run a knife slightly down the back of the prawns and then remove the vein. Can you see the vein? That is what I'm talking about. Please watch carefully to get every bit of what I am doing so that you can try yours at home rather than buying the clean one so expensive in the shop. The first way of peeling the prawns is ready. Now let's set that aside and move to the second section. For the second way, carefully remove or twist the prawns head just like so, and with my thumb as well peel down one side of the body and carefully twist the prawns around and squeeze out the tail just like so. And simply hold the prawn straight and press it with your right hand and then devein with your left hand like this. Here we have our peel and devein prawns ready to cook without cutting any knife on it. For this way, you can as well decide to leave the tail for presentation purposes or not, but it's up to you. Let's move to the next section. The third way of peeling and deveining the prawns. For this method, or for this particular way, the head of the prawns will be on as well as the tail. This is for presentation purposes. You peel your prawns depending on the kind of recipe you are using them for. For this way, with one motion, use a knife to peel and devein all the same time. Afterwards, open the prawns right from the top middle down, leaving the head and the tail on. But for the head, we will as well clean it later. Alright? Yeah, for the head, please watch what I am doing. Cut a rectangle out of the prawn's head and use it to remove the stomach. The stomach, as you can see, is black in color. Then trim off the eyes, and here we have it. Please, a round of applause for me. Now I will go ahead and repeat my very favorite or easiest way, which is the very first way. Please, if you have not liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel as well with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful and lovely comments to encourage us. Thank you. Keep watching. Just like I said earlier, the prawns head and other stuff I cut off from the prawns is never a waste. I've washed the prawns off the camera and also rewash the head and other stuff as well. Here you can decide to cook and season the prawns head and get the broth, of which the protein is very much intact. But here I will get the prawns because I will get the stock fresh because I am using it immediately. Just expect the recipe any moment from now. A lot of people throw this away calling it a waste, but from today stop throwing your prawns head away. But if you feel you don't have the time of what I'm doing, it is up to you. Here I got my blender and the prawns head. Simply pour the prawns head carefully in the blender and add enough water to blend, and blend until very smooth, after which use a strainer and strain out the prawn stock carefully. Can you see the stock? This is very, very nutritious and blood itself. Look at that lovely color. Because of how inviting the color looks, I feel like drinking it at once. Please give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful and lovely comment to encourage us. Alright, keep watching. Here comes the real waste from the prawns. Discuss this immediately, alright? Virtuous family, this is the prawns after washing alongside with the fresh prawn stock. You can use any of the waste of the prawns depending on the recipe you are making, but for the fresh prawn stock, you can use it for soup, sauce and other delicious dishes. We in Africa, especially Nigeria, have a particular dish we use this fresh prawn stock to cook, and that will be coming up on this channel any moment from now. The fresh prawn stock is sold in the malls and it is very expensive, so try making your own at home to be sure of what you are eating. I'm sure you enjoy today's video. Please give the video a huge thumbs up if you enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful and lovely comment to encourage us. From me and all my crew, thanks for watching. Always remain blessed and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.